What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. It's been a long time, but I feel like I'm ready to start painting again. I don't know, it was starting to weigh on me, so I kind of took a break from it for a little while. So the colors we got titanium white, we have a turquoise blue, and then a lighter violet, and then cadmium red. All the colors are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. There is no silicone oil in any of the colors because today we're going to be doing a beautiful little straight pour. We're just going to layer these beautiful colors into this cup and then do a gorgeous little straight pour with it. How's everybody doing today? I know it's been a while since I've been around, and I do apologize for that, but I am trying to get back into it. I know I do need this as a therapy, really do. But I don't know if any of you have ever been in that spot where you kind of, it was becoming not as much fun, if that makes sense. So right now I'm just alternating the colors. I do have this cadmium red here. Ooh, I do love me some red. Beautiful color. Layer it with a little white over the top. Keep it separate from the blue. I'd like to be able to see some red in this. But I hope everybody's doing amazing. I'm having a great day. I've been recently discovering rock hounding. There's a bunch of cool places here in Arizona to do that. So I think I've made 5 or 6 separate trips. Then a couple trips with my baby. She just took me out to a couple night camping trip. It was really cool, down in the Black Hills Rockhound area by Tucson. It was a really good time, found some really cool stuff. I'll try to take some pictures of it so that while you're seeing me or hearing me talk about it, you can actually see it on the screen too. But it's mostly just a bunch of chalcedony, and then there's fire agate and normal agates, a bunch of quartz, all kinds of cool stuff out here. But, oh, that was a big old lump of something just fell in there, unfortunately. But I think we're good, actually. I don't think we really need to add too much more. But I'm gonna continue to layer it because there's not really enough in these cups to save for another canvas. I think I need to unplug from the internet for a while. So the world just seems to be going crazy. I don't understand it. I don't understand people sometimes. It's just, I don't know, just love each other. Everybody, I wish everybody could just love each other, get along. I know it's a naive worldview, but man, I wish. All right. So we got this thing all layered up properly, looking all nice. And now we're gonna do the fun part. So I'm gonna start quicker so it doesn't drip down the sides, because I don't like it when it does that. So we'll start kind of quick just to keep the stream going, and then we will slow down. But the colors are already looking really sharp and defined. Very happy with what I'm seeing so far. Some spots where that red and blue is combining is almost making kind of a greenish gold orange. Very different. Nope. Lean too hard on my stuff. So it's a 12 by 12 canvas, and this is a, I think a 9-ounce cup in my hand. I could be way wrong, and it could be like an 18-ounce cup. I would say right now we have enough paint, but I really love the way that blue is coming out on the side opposite of the purple in the middle of that red. Love what that looking like. Slow it down. Slow it down. Oh, we did drip. We did drip, but that's okay because we're gonna fix it before we stretch. And it's not gonna look perfect, but we will work that in. Man. Love that right there. So just a light spin. Let's get everything to cover. Man, that looks so cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. Woo. I love this. And yeah, there's a glob of paint that got stuck in there. You can see it kind of started to distort what was going on over there, unfortunately. But I love it, guys. Dang. I'm gonna leave it just the way it is. Let me get you guys down here. We're all gonna look at it together. It's beautiful. This thing is so wicked cool. Jeez. That contrast between that cerulean blue and that cadmium red is, it's gorgeous. You can see there was some, it was either bubbles or small globs of paint. Like right there, you can actually see the piece of paint, that the glob in there stuck. I'm gonna grab it, take it out after this. But I love it, guys. Woo, I can't wait to see it when it's dry. Would you just look at how this thing dried, though? Looks super cool. You can see where I tried to fix the little drip in the middle. Didn't come out quite as vibrant as the rest because it overmixed a bit and muddied it. But I still think it looks bigger than just one big old blob of color. I think down here is my favorite part though, because there's just so much fine detail. And then the way the colors play. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.